In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import clients into your CRM. Before we begin, make sure you have your client list ready in a spreadsheet file, ideally CSV or Excel, with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone. Clean data saves time during the import, so double check for typos or extra blank rows if you can. Start by opening your CRM and looking at the left-hand navigation. Find and click on Clients on the left side. This takes you to your client area where all your records will live. Near the top of this page, look for the menu or button labeled More Actions. Click on More Actions, then choose Import Clients. This opens the import workflow where you'll bring in your list. Next, click on Choose File. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to your prepared spreadsheet, select it, and click Open. Once your file is attached, the system will load a mapping screen. This is where you match each CRM field to the correct column from your file so data lands in the right place. You'll see a list of fields, and for each field, you can choose a corresponding column. For example, map the CRM's first name field to the first name column in your file, last name to last name, and so on. If you have a field you don't want to import, leave it unassigned or select the option that keeps it empty. Pay attention to headers here. If your file includes a header row, the importer will typically recognize it and won't count it as a client record. When you're satisfied with the first set of mappings, click Continue. This moves you forward so you can continue to choose a column for every required field and review any optional ones. Take your time. Consistent mapping is crucial for clean data. If a sample preview is shown, skim it to confirm emails look like emails, phone numbers are in the right format, and names aren't reversed. After confirming the mappings and reviewing your selections, you're ready for the final step. Click on Import Clients. The system will begin processing the file. Depending on the size of your list, this can take a moment. Stay on the page until you see a confirmation that the import has completed. If any fields were left unmapped, they'll simply remain empty in your records, which you can fill in later if needed. And that's it. Your client list is now imported, neatly organized, and ready to use within your CRM's clients section.